Alright, so I'm going to show you the data block search function on the Hurco control, and this is a part that we drew in conversational and it's programmed, and I want to find out the information on that angled line right there. So I will hit DB search, highlight the line, and say jump to block, and it takes me to that line in my program over here. Now say I want to see something about that hole right there. Double click it, now I'm on that hole location. So it's a real easy way to navigate through your programs on the control. Alright, so now I'm going to show you the real-time inch metric conversion. If we look right here, I can see that value is 3 inches. If I come over here and press this little button that says inch, it's going to prompt me, do I want to switch to metric units? I can say yes. And now it converted all those values to metric. So if you get a metric blueprint, you can program in metric and then still use your standard imperial tooling and speeds and feeds to actually cut the part. Alright, so now I'm going to show how some of our graphical verification works. Here's our graphics screen. This is the part that we've made. It's this contour with the 3 holes. So if I want to know the center of that hole, I'll just move my cursor there. And down here in the corner, actually it's still in metric, so I'll switch it. I can see that we're at X 2.9 inches roughly and Y 2.5 inches. Now if I want to know the overall length of my part, I can hold the Alt key and draw a line, and it'll display the length of the line up in the corner so I can see this part's roughly 5 inches long. Alright, so here's our part, and say I have 6 of these parts lined up on the vise, lined up across the table. I can simply just pattern this program several times. So what I'm going to do is I will insert a block before, patterns, loop, linear. Now I have this block, I can just tell it how many I want. I want 6 of them, and the distance in between them is 6 inches, and that's it. Now you can see I have 6 parts. Retracts and turns the spindle off, and now I can move it.
Anywhere you want, doesn't matter. Tilt the axis.
Alright. Then all you gotta do to resume your program is hit auto, second start.